This project is great for practicing data manipulation and visualization, allowing users to log expenses and display that data using charts and graphs on a dashboard. We're using Next.js with MongoDB Atlas for the backend, and the project is designed to be minimal and responsive. Our project is organized with a clear structure to keep things clean. First, we have the relib folder, which contains mongodb.js. This is where we handle the connection to our database, which is MongoDB. This file is crucial because it abstracts away our database connection logic from the rest of the application. Next, there are pages folder. This is the heart of Next.js's routing. _app.js. This is a core Next.js file that acts as the entry point for our entire application. It's where we can apply global styles and layouts that will wrap every page. Index.js. This file represents our main dashboard page. It uses a Next.js feature called getServerSideProps. This is a powerful function that runs on the server to fetch data, like all of our expenses, and then passes that data as props to the page before it's even rendered. This is perfect for data that needs to be fresh on every request. The API folder is where we build our backend API routes without needing a separate server. Index.js in API of expenses. This is our main API endpoint for handling expense data. It likely processes different HTTP requests, like a POST request to add a new expense. ID.js in API of expenses. The square brackets indicate the dynamic route. This file handles requests for a specific expense, using its unique ID. It could be for fetching, updating, or deleting a single expense. Summary.js. This API route is designed to perform calculations on the backend and provide a summarized view of the data, which is then used by the charts on the dashboard. Finally, the Components folder contains our reusable React components, which are the building blocks of our user interface. ExpenseForm.jsx. This component is a simple form that allows the user to input details about a new expense, like the title, amount, and category. ExpenseList.jsx. This file renders the list of all our expenses. It iterates through the expense data and displays each one, likely with a delete button to remove it. ExpenseChart.jsx. This is the data visualization component. It uses the React Charts 2 library to take the expense data, specifically the summary from our API, and turn it into a visual chart like a bar or a pie chart. The useEffect hook inside this component fetches the summarized data whenever our list of expenses changes. The Styles folder is where we keep our styling files. Globals.css. This file contains global CSS rules that affect our entire application, like font styles and base element resets. Dashboard.module.css. This file uses CSS modules, which automatically scope the styles to prevent conflicts with other components. This is where we style the specific elements of our dashboard page.